Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Claude 3.5's new artifacts feature and how you can activate it in your free account. We'll also explore some of its limitations. Let's get started. To access artifacts, you'll need to go to the Cloud AI website and log in or sign up. It's a very simple process that only takes a few clicks. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard like this. On the dashboard, you'll see an input box. Click on it, and a new pop-up window will open, prompting you to turn on artifacts. In this window, click on Try It Out. This will open another pop-up window with a feature preview. Here, you'll find an option for artifacts, which will be turned off by default. Turn it on. Once you've done all that, artifacts will be activated. Now you can run any code you want directly in your Cloud AI dashboard. Let me show you how this works by creating a simple snake game. As you can see, I've entered a simple prompt here to create a snake game using JavaScript. It's currently generating the code using HTML5. On the left side, you can see all the details of the code, and on the right side, you'll find the code editor and the preview window. Here you can see that my code has been generated and is now automatically running in the preview window. You can manually view the code by clicking the Code option and see the preview by clicking the Preview option. Following these instructions, you can use your computer's arrow keys to control the game. Now, as you can see, the game is running smoothly. I can use the arrow keys to control the snake, which is the red dot, and move it left, right, or up and down. You can do the same thing as well. Now, I want to let you know that Cloud AI's 3.5 Sonnet Artifacts feature is available to free users with some limitations. This means you can only perform a certain number of searches within a specific time frame. If you exceed the limit, you'll encounter a time limit, and you won't be able to search again until after an hour or two. So, keep that in mind. Overall, Cloud AI's Artifacts feature is a great and helpful tool, but it does have some limitations. For instance, it can only run code written in HTML4. So, what did you think of today's video? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what you think about the 3.5 Sonnet version of Cloud AI. If you'd like to learn more about how this version is advanced and how it compares to other AI models on the market, you can check out this article. I'll talk about that in the next video. Until then, bye-bye, tata. See you later. Stay curious.